Here's a look at the Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. It's a smartwatch by Garmin. This one is pretty cool because it is a solar powered watch. You can go even longer with solar charging on it instead of having to remove a battery like a lot of watches, or to even charge it up. And here's a look at the breathable band on it, so that way when you're running it, you don't sweat as much. Here are some of the buttons on the side, and there is a port there to charge it. It's got GPS built into it. And here's the other side of it. It's got 3 buttons on this side to access the menu. Pretty thick watch. The screen is very easy to read. As you can see, it accepts the touch, pace, you can resume later, time, of course. A lot of different features that this watch offers. Here's some more of the options. But yeah, it gives you a good look at this watch.